Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Alienware Command Center error 0x803F801. If Alienware Command Center won't open or keeps throwing this error, don't worry, just follow along step by step and you should be able to fix it. Alright, let's dive in. First, go to the Windows search bar and type Run, then open it. Once the Run dialog box appears, type wsreset.exe and click OK. Now, don't worry if you see a black command prompt window pop up for a few seconds. That's totally normal. It will open and close automatically, and right after that, the Microsoft Store should launch on its own. This process refreshes the Microsoft Store, which often causes this error in Alienware Command Center. Once the Microsoft Store opens, give it a moment to finish loading. After that, try opening Alienware Command Center again and check if the error 0x803F801 is gone. And that's it. These are the best ways to fix the Alienware Command Center error and get everything running properly again.